Let's focus on our knitting lesson today. Today, we are going to learn how to knit using your fingers. Start by holding the wool or cord in your palm tight with your thumb. Your fingers are going to become the loom. Wrap the wool or cord behind your index finger and in front of your middle finger. Then behind your ring finger and around your pinky. Then in front of your ring finger, behind your middle finger and around your index finger. Then you are going to do it one more time. Go over, under and around your pinky. Then you are going to do it one more time. So you have 2 loops on your finger. Keep it nice and tight. Pull the bottom loop over the top loop and continue on each fingers. Find DIY Stitching YouTube channel for more stitching ideas. Subscribe to HandiWorks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Start your knitting again. Always start with the middle finger. Go over, under and around your pinky. Keep pulling it tight. Pull the bottom loop over the top loop and continue on each fingers. Always start with the middle finger. Go over, under and around your pinky. I think we should take a break. Start your knitting again. Yours can be any size depending on your project. I'm going to show you how to finish this row and start another one. Pull your first loop off your finger and on to the next. Pull your bottom loop up over. Then pull this loop onto your next finger. Pull your bottom loop up over. Pull this loop onto your next finger. Then simply remove your finger and hook onto your index finger. Same as before, wrap the ball through your finger. So you have 3 loops on your index finger. This time pull the bottom loop up over your finger, then the next loop. I'm going to show you how to start another row. So we are going to connect down the knitting into each loop. Find your first loop and hook your index finger through. Same as before, wrap the ball through your finger. Continue on and find your next loop. Knit all the way to the end. Now we are at the very end of this row. I'm going to show you how to finish this row. Pull your first loop off your finger and on to the next. Subscribe to HandiWorks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. I just love this piece. It looks lovely as it gets bigger. If you want more videos like this, go to the description box down below. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.